Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office looking out on a very frosty start to the day, but the sun is out and I am very excited because I have the deluxe subscription box for December from Jane's Agenda, and I can't wait to share it with you. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. So as I mentioned, this is the deluxe subscription box from Jane's Agenda. They have 3 subscription options. The Cover Club has a cover each month and some dashboards that go along with it. You can also do the planner and lifestyle subscription, which will have inserts and different accessories to go with your planner. Or of course, this deluxe version has both combined. So you get the cover, the dashboards, all the inserts, or different accessories that'll come in that month's box. And this is the December box. It just came yesterday evening. I was so excited all day to get it, and it just took a while to get here. Also, I will mention I'm an affiliate for Jane's Agenda, so I have a special link in the description down below if you expand the description box. And that link will take you to the website so you can shop. And also there is a special Cyber Week sale starting today, Tuesday the 22nd, and it'll run through the 28th, and it starts at noon Mountain Time on the 22nd. So if you're seeing this within that time frame, definitely check out the website, check out the cyber deals that are going on this week. Now, without further ado, here we go. So this month's subscription box has lots of beautiful goodies for December and the holidays and the end of the year and the start of the new year. So I did go in and open everything just so we could get in here and see everything a little more quickly. So I'm going to take it all out of the box. Just wanted to show you that pretty paper that it came in, and I'll set the box aside and we'll dive in. Okay, each box usually comes with some kind of a tour card. So one side of the card will be a pretty image like this that you can just use in your planner. So that's always fun. And the back of the card will tell us about what's in the box. So we'll start out with this 3-piece quote card set with the green tree clip. So I did not open this little pouch because I wanted to share that with you. And I have been seeing Jane's Agenda sneak peek a lot of the elements in the box, like the cover, for weeks now. And I've just been so excited to get it. So I'm really happy that it's finally here. Sorry, there was a tractor going up the street to one of the wineries. Okay, so we have the 3 boxes, or the 3 cards here, and this little cute tree paper clip. So this one says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year," and it's this beautiful kind of hunter green color. This one says, "I am under no obligation to make sense to you," which I love. And the final one, which is a quote from Winston Churchill, says, "Success is not final, failure is not final. It is the courage to continue that counts." That's very apropos this time of year as well. So we've got those 3 cute cards that you could tip in or use to decorate your planner. And then just have to show you that cute little tree paper clip, which is darling. So we've got all that there. Next, we have these black and red page marker tabs, and I left these in just to show you how they're set up. And I'm excited to have these too, because this is something I feel like I'm always kind of looking for, something to mark a page in my planner. So these are out of like a thin plastic or vinyl, and that means they would hold up pretty well, but I also think they won't mark your page or damage anything. And I really like that I could even use my label maker and label them. Like if I wanted to have them say urgent, you know, one could say urgent, one could say important, or whatever the case may be. So that's pretty fun. I like having something different like that to use in my planner. Okay, next we have the December page finder, and this is a beautiful image. It has some cross-stitch looking designs down here, and then the poinsettia up top, and the December calendar. So I like this as well. It's just, again, it's just fun to have these new things in my planner each month, which make it exciting to open the planner and sort of see what's going on and what I need to work on. This is what I've been so excited to get my hands on. This is the planner cover for December, and it's a laminated set that has the red foil on top, which says Noel, which is beautiful. And the back of the cover has the same red foil snowflakes. And when you're choosing your subscription box options, if you have a cover, You can choose to add the elastic strap, and I love having that. This elastic ribbon allows me to keep my planner closed. And if you saw my setup video from this past week, then you know my planner has grown because I have now combined my Christmas planning pages in there with my regular planner. So I definitely want to use my elastic strap to keep everything contained in that big planner. So I can't wait to get this on my planner and start using it for the month of December. Okay, so then we have this decorative dashboard set, and look at how pretty this is. So this is a vellum sheet that has the little snowflake and evergreen design around the edge, and then that can layer over the top of each of these dashboards, and either one is beautiful. So let's see, this is the translucent white ink snowflakes and fir tree branches, and then this is the two-piece decorative dashboard set. So there's Snowy Switzerland Village and Winter Scene. So that's the winter scene there, again double-sided, or the Switzerland Village. And oh my gosh, they're both just so perfect for this time of year. Look at how pretty that is when you layer it. Either one looks great. So again, those will be fun. I've been using these dashboards with some of my just sticky tabs and making that a divider in my planner. So I'm excited about that. Okay, and then this is the hybrid dashboard, which is a laminated dashboard that you can pop in and out. And I usually use this one for my daily marker, and then I'll use this one for my weekly marker. And this has a quote from "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." So it's the present, "'Twas the night before Christmas, when all things went all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse," and so on. So that'll be really pretty to have this, since it says the present, have that as my daily marker. So again, just very festive and fun. Okay, then I think this is the decorative dashboard set that's reversible for Christmas. So we have, yeah, so this would actually go with your planner cover. So you could layer that. So we have one side that has the little gingerbread man and some presents and ornaments and even a little snow looking image there with the reindeer. And then the back is this beautiful plaid. So you can layer that under your planner like that. Oh my gosh, just so pretty and festive and fun. And I like that these are reversible because sometimes I just want to keep it simple, so I'll layer it that way. And then of course, you know, you'd have it, oh, the back side of this one, look at that. So cute with all those Christmas cookies. I almost think I like that one the best. Just very festive and fun for this time of year. So those are the two dashboards that could go with your planner cover and just make that even more festive for this time of year. Okay, now we're getting into some of the inserts. So this is the At a Glance 2023 calendar with the holidays, and I love this. I've been thinking about what I need to start setting up my planner for next year. And of course, a calendar for 2023 was at the top of my list. So I'm really happy to have that. The backside has the main holidays in the US, and I like that she has things like the summer solstice marked as well. So that's really cool. We've got that. Then we have this nameplate page. Then we have, so these are the 2023 planning goal inserts. So we have quarterly pages, quarter one, quarter two. I love this because it just gives you that quick, easy way to look at the month. I can mark, you know, either birthdays or like days off of school or appointments on there. There's all 4 quarters of the year. So that gives me that already set up. And then plus there's this monthly task list on the back, which is amazing too. I could use this for my bills, especially some of the bills that are only due once or twice a year. Or this could be my birthday list. There's just lots of ways you can use that. Then we get into the goals section, and this is a quote from Albert Einstein. It says, "Learning is the beginning of wealth. Searching and learning is where the miracle process all begins. The great breakthrough in your life comes when you realize that you can learn anything you need to learn to accomplish any goal that you set for yourself. This means there are no limits on what you can be, have, or do." And when we open these, we have our goals for the quarters. So on the left, there's a column that says category or project, and then you've got your 3 months, goal, actual. So that basically she's saying there's 2 lines that are divided here. The top part is your goal and the bottom part is your actual for each of those 3 months of the quarter. And that goes through the 4 quarters of the year. And then on the back, There is a section for results. So you've got your category, your start and your end goal, and then your result. Then we also have this quarterly planner where we have each quarter broken down. You've got the months at the top and then a section for your projects and big tasks with a due date, and then important events with a date, and then notes at the bottom and notes on the back. So that's really cool as well. As I'm looking ahead, I can use this for my Jordan Essentials business and really plan out things like in February, we always have our new spring catalog that comes out. And so there's a lot of just extra things that happen with that. So I could mark things like that. I have different goals each month. There's a lot of ways you could use this, personal or professional. So we've got the 4 quarters, 4 quarters there. And then we have this really cool little collection here. So there's an ideal day. So you could set up how you would want an ideal day to go and an ideal week, which is really nice. We have a section for books to read, 2-sided, shows and movies to watch, 2-sided. And then this says level 10 life tracker. Decide on the 10 areas of your life you would like to improve over the next year. And the ideas she gives are family, home, friends, health, fitness. Then think of 10 small things or mini goals that would improve each area and write them down. These can be things like walk 5 miles, save $200, or call your family. And finally, keep track of your progress and mark off each mini goal as you complete it. Keep a big picture of your overall progress by utilizing the chart at the top of the left page. So we have this overall chart here, and then she's got those areas broken out. So there's 4 and 6, which would be the 10, and a space for all these mini goals. And then a quote at the back that says, finish each day and be done with it. You have done what you could. Some blunders and absurdities no doubt crept in. Forget them as soon as you can. Tomorrow is a new day. Begin it well and serenely and with too high a spirit to be encumbered with your old nonsense. And that's a quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson. So this is just a really exciting collection of inserts. I'm so happy that I got this December subscription box because these are all the kinds of things I've been thinking I should probably get something like that for next year. And here we go. I've got it all set and ready for starting my planner for 2023. And I have a place to start thinking about goals and projects and plans and getting the family calendar updated and the school calendar updated and all of that. So this is really, really cool. I'm so happy that I've got this to get started with. Next, we have a planner pocket, and this is something I've been wishing I had in my planner, so I'm really excited to have that. So it's just got the pocket on the front, and it's that pretty green color. And this is something else I saw in a sneak peek, and I'm so excited that I have it because I have been making my own tabs. If you've been watching some of my planning videos, then you know I've just been using my label maker and some of those removable and repositionable tabs from Avery. And this gives me a really nice set of this heavy, these are like a heavy plastic, so they're printed on the front with the months. So we have 1 through, or I guess you could use these for categories, 1 through 6 and 7 through 12. But what's kind of cool too is they're blank on the back. So if I wanted to use them for something else, I could also turn them upside down and just use them to mark different sections in my planner. And these were things, again, this was on my list of maybe something I would need to get to start my new planner for 2023, and I've already got it. So this is really cool. So that is your look at everything that came in the December Deluxe subscription box from Jane's Agenda. I hope you enjoyed getting to see this walkthrough. Once again, don't forget to check that description box for all the links and everything if you're curious, and I will look forward to seeing you for my Tiny Tidy Tuesday video, also coming out today. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.